inspiration for the restoration at the Masonic Home was an area that the Math Science Nucleus works with Alameda County Flood Control and Water Conservation District called Tule Ponds at Tyson's Lagoon. Our role in the Masonic Restoration Project is to coordinate the science to make it work. The long-term goal is a complete reforestation of about 1,000 acres, and that includes the Masonic Home, Cal State East Bay, and possibly East Bay Regional.
We have a new reforestation program in partnership with TRICED and Math Nucleus. And that partnership is bringing back some of the native species to the hillsides. So we're planting trees on the hillside and we're using that soil amendment to help those trees grow.
And we started to look at using food waste to accelerate composting. So we looked at different machinery to accelerate it using thermophilic composting, which means getting your food waste in a closed bin system to increase its heat and creating compost much quicker than you could naturally. Carbon sequestration is a process by which you're holding carbon into the soil and it's not released to the atmosphere. Using the food waste and not putting in the landfill, it basically prevents the creation of methane. You're also creating horse manure, which is providing nitrogen, and you're not allowing that to release as methane. And so you're making a mixture that's enriching the soil and getting the nitrogen into the soil, the carbon into the soil, and you're creating just an excellent blend between preventing those methane gases, the greenhouse gases, from escaping and creating an area that will later be able to support trees, which the soil right now can't support the trees because it's been devoid of decomposition for years.
My name is Manuel Gallardo. I'm the executive chef here at Masonic Homes of California. We do approximately 900 meals per day, times 365. All of our waste product goes into the bins. Scraps, everything except hard bones. So from here, it gets taken downstairs by our crew, and then somebody from TRICED comes and picks it up and takes it all the way up to the top. And then they bring us back clean, empty bins. And that happens 6 days a week. I would say that we're probably down 50 to 60% by composting rather than filling up trash bags.
We've saved quite a bit of money over the years that we've been doing this program, as our food waste is no longer being moved into our landfills. And our residents have really been actively engaged in the entire process. They're part of the farming and they're part of the byproduct of the farming, so they're enjoying this as well. This is actually the first Masonic home in California, and the building was built originally in 1892.
Been here in our family since 1917, but actually started with John Rock in 1884. He was a German immigrant that came here in the 1850s and was involved in our Civil War.
John Rock was a master mason. John Rock was instrumental in the landscaping initially for the Masonic homes and provided all of the trees and all of the shrubbery currently located here.
Well, after John Rock, my grandfather became interested in the property. In the course of the transition, selling of the property to a developer, the city preserved some acreage for a park, and eventually it turned out to be about 21 acres, which is what's here today.
So right now we have about 30 acres that we are going to partner with Dig Deep Farms. And those 30 acres, we will probably begin with a 5-acre parcel and probably expand quickly to 10 acres, and those will be planted by our partnership with the Alameda County Deputy Sheriff's Association.
So working with the Masonic Homes of Union City has been a great opportunity for us. This is some of the last fertile flat land on the bay side of Alameda County, and it's just a golden opportunity for us. It'll allow us to increase the amount of produce that we are cycling through our program, increase our sales, provide more employment opportunities for the youth of Alameda County. It's just a wonderful opportunity. We were searching for a way where we could make an impact on economic development, and we created a social enterprise called Dig Deep Farms. And we were able to secure several grants, employed folks from the ages of 16 up to the ages of 40. One of our chief goals was to be able to link those folks coming through our clinical case management program to jobs in the urban agriculture, local food system world. And we've been reasonably successful doing that. And the opportunity to bring the compost that's being generated from the food waste out of the Masonic homes and use it on our farming operation is a wonderful environmental opportunity. It's a opportunity to do an urban closed circle farming operation to sell produce back into the communities that are food deserts within our community. I think is a unique opportunity.
So what we decided to do was make compost, make piles, start mixing it in the soil, leaving it fallow for about 2 years, and then starting to put trees that we started here at the California Nursery.
Today we're going to just try to put this road in so they can haul the composting stuff up to the top of the hill. It's probably going to be one of the biggest restoration projects in Alameda County.
So for the hillsides, we see reforestation as an important byproduct of what we're doing in these programs, and we'll be able to see the fruits of that labor hopefully in the next 10 to 20 years as we see those trees grow on the hillside. I think it's been a great partnership to be able to give back to the community and to be able to be more conscious about the environment here.